And here comes Jimbo, who is absolutely shitting himself at the moment.
Shaking his head, going, screw this.
Going a bit slow there, mate.
Look at his face. Sorry, I'm in the way. Now, me. Oh, don't move! Fucking get stuck here. What? Right, you know I'm in a bad spot if you do come over. I'll catch you up. I feel like I'm going that way. Keep coming. Keep coming. Drop it off at the rear. Drop it off at the rear. Fuck this! Fucking way! I think you need to stop there. He's in trouble.
Yeah, that's about the position I was in.
Fuck! I should have went the bridge. He's going to come all the way down here. Yeah. He's going to come all the way down here. You're taking too much turning out when you adjust those nuts on one side. This side. You need more turn. I reckon you can go back a foot or two wherever until you hit that rock. I'm worried about turning and digging out the sand there. Try and creep forward just very slowly, as hard to me as you can.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I don't like it. I don't know what to do.
Maybe someone pull him back.
Backwards, you reckon?
Yeah.
You don't reckon it's worth trying to drag the front end through? What off though? There's not much lift to it.
How you feeling, mate? You're not feeling good, are you?
No.
You'll be
I
alright.
should have just went over the bridge. Thanks.
I reckon if he tries to steer the opposite way in reverse, he's gonna dig that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going to go over, aren't I?
I was in about that position and I put both lockers in and reversed. But he's only got the one
Wait,
locker,
wow.
hasn't he? Yeah,
Not steering.
not steering.
I reckon he'd get over that. I reckon he'll spin. No lockers in the rear.
Yeah, we don't want that happening, do we?
No, if he spins, he'll dig.
Slide.
Why don't we try pull his winch out to that one we've seen in there?
Worst case scenario, if we hook him up and it starts to move, it's got
Something that's not
it's not
It's
big.
not big, but it's still basic that.
It's better than what you got now.
Long way. Hang on. No.
This is what he's looking at dropping over.
Hang on.
So it's not a real good option to go over the edge here. There's Melly giving us a wave. And Jason. No one's sort of really giving a shit about poor Jimmy stuck in the car.
See how that goes.
What are you hooking it onto?
The trunk of it's not bad. Sort of.
Do you think we should get a car behind him to anchor him as well? You reckon? Can I get my iPad out of the car?
No, you told me this would be right, you'd be right. What if it's in here of yours? He's going with me down there. Just get me out of here.
We're trying, mate.
Yeah, it's about that. Fucking legs killing and shaking.
You got a good photo?
If this doesn't work, we'll have to try and winch him back.
Yeah.
The only thing is a car, he's going to escape down.
We'll have to use both cars, yeah. Okay, we're winching him off this tree here. Attempting to pull the front end around. Well, that's what we're trying to do, isn't it? Just watch out that rope doesn't snap.
Simon Christie said it was okay.
Yeah,
He promised rope was okay. Keep going.
yeah, it's working. Maybe you should drive. Look at this tyre.
So give it a little drive.
Come forward, mate.
And winch. Drive.
Whoa. Look at everyone picking themselves laughing.
Got some firewood.
What's strong?
Jamie's falling over laughing.
reckon we can get him to drive from there because he is on that tree. But he's going to come down.
We're getting down here. What if we put Mack tracks from there onto that rock? Will that help?
Might. We can probably try and push that rock out of the way, but it will come. It's going to drive over the top of it.
Yeah, it'd be better if it was out of the way.
I reckon if he comes forward, that passenger wheel is going to go down here.
Yeah. No, it's not a hole. There's a rock there. We're talking about moving.
Might take a couple of us.
I'm not going to go. It's a bit rough.
Is there another tree to hook onto?
That one. That was a thick one of the two. Just drive forward just a little bit. Like here. Yeah. It's going to be on an awful angle too when it gets down there.
Yeah, he will. It's just sliding, isn't it?
We're going to get him backwards then. Alright, let's get him backwards. Still there above him.
Have you got the extension strap?
I can get mine.
No, I'm going to stop filming until we set up. We're going to try and get him backwards.
Let's